Good morning. It is day 2 in Arizona Flagstaff. I am out here for Expo West. And of those of you that don't know what it is, I'm going to give you a little tour tomorrow, but basically it's a massive overlanding expo they hold every year in Arizona Flagstaff, and I'm an ambassador for Dometic, so they had me out here to do a PR event, which I did last night. And today I'm actually doing a cooking demonstration as part of the launch of a new, they have big like RV campsites here, and there's a new one that's launching and they've asked me to come and cook. So I'm going to take you along. I'm going to show you what a cooking demonstration looks like for me, how I set it up. Harriet is all packed up, ready to go. So me and Harriet are going out here. I'm actually going to set her up as part of my display, and we're going to be doing hung chickens with some garlic pizza. So it should be super fun. I've loaded the car up with my like chopping boards and knives and all those sort of things. Made the bread dough. We are going to drive over there now and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so we are all set up. Fire pits. Harriet's looking great. And then I'm going to be doing some pizza demonstrations here, serving everyone from here. So I have my little tool bag with some gloves, all the things I need. I'm going to set this cheese station up shortly, but first up we're going to put the chickens in. The butter is melting down. It looks such a vibe. So chickens are now starting to get some nice golden color in it. Everything is set up. We're just going to wait for everyone to turn up. Got my gosneys, got my fire pits, pot of butter. It is now time to carve up our chickens. Wave down even. Alright, so what you need to do is cut open our chicken. So we just use the cutters. You're probably wondering how I can touch this. I don't have much feeling left in my hands. I also don't use like thermometers and stuff to check the temperature of my chickens. I can tell by looking at this, it's got like a beautiful like golden color to it. I'm not seeing any like pink bits on it. So just like unwrap my chicken, discard of that. Make sure any little metal bits go in your bowl. And realistically, let me grab some. With a chicken, when it's cooked really well, see how those juices run clear? That's when you know your chicken is like cooked perfectly. If you're worried, just give that a quick sear, but I can guarantee that you can see the steam coming off it. So I always like pull my little legs off, like so, and then you can also cut through that bone there if you want. You got your drumsticks. I don't know how many chickens I've cut up in my lifetime, but a lot. And then you've got your little like leg bits there as well. And then you have all this like beautiful chicken breast here. You can see how like lovely that color of the breast is. Beautiful white meat, perfectly cooked. Also like still really juicy, like got a really nice juiciness to it. It's like not dry at all. Which a lot of people think when you cook on fire it's going to be really dry, because you're kind of encapsulating the chicken. Essentially it's like all those juices just stay inside of it and like marinate, which is what we want, all that lovely flavor. So you're going to slice your chicken up, and then I always like to get a good bit of sea salt, do a really nice little hit. And then I'll like keep just pulling these bits of chicken off the rest of the carcass, and I'll use this to like make a stock with if I want to as well. So you can just like, if you got a campfire going, you can throw it in a pot with some water, and then you got a lovely chicken stock, like a bone marrow, like a beautiful chicken stock you can use to make soups with. Also, when you throw this in a pot with water, I just take out the stuffing that's in there, because that's probably going to taste a little like rancid. But I'd throw that in a pot, and gotta get the parson's nose, and And yeah, and just let it boil away. Like, and then you've got beautiful stuff, maybe 3 hours, you're gonna let it boil for. So, yeah. Smoked chicken. Anyone got any questions?
All right, here we go.
This is the big test, man.
Let's go. All right, let's see. I gotta get a bigger bite. Oh my God. So good. Thank you so much.
Okay, so ripper success. Chickens are cooked perfectly. Everybody is loving it. I have had the best time out in Arizona. If you would like to get this recipe, I'm going to give you a link below. Okay, I'm going to show you guys why I am here in Arizona. I'm at Expo West. So Dometic have set up a booth here, and I'm going to show you what this is all about. And give you a bit of a tour. So basically it's all overlanding stuff, which is pretty cool. So here is the magazine. All right, so these are my good friends at Dometic. This is their setup for the year, and front runner. Hi, good morning.
Yeah.
Hello. All right, so they're there. All their coolers, which is my favorite. All right, so I found something really cool. What is this?
Hi, I'm Justin with Pitchfire. This is our F20 pitch-mounted grill. Look, patented dual swing.
So cool.
I'll show you how this guy works. You're about to hit the road. You're gonna fold it through that. Like so. We got a little locking latch here. We're gonna hit our pitch pin in there, and this thing's gonna be solid on the road. We drove 12 hours from California in the back of this trailer, no problem. When you get to your destination,
Just unlock it.
the ledge pin out. You're gonna hit your foot here. It's gonna swing out all the way. It's 270.
Okay, this is a little bit of a different scene as to what was cooking before. That is because I forgot to do an outro. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube episode. Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you would like to learn from me, what adventures that maybe I should go on. Hit the little bell button and the subscribe, and you're gonna know next time I release a video, and you're also gonna know what the heck I've been cooking behind me. You're going to want to watch this one because it is fun. We are in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. We'll see you in the next episode.